Start with the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back in our elementary science class. So our today's topic is parts of plant and life cycle of plant. We will discuss different parts of plant and their specific function and how seeds germinate into a complete plant body. So let's start. Here you can see different parts of plant: stem, leaves, seed, stem, fruit, flowers and roots, which are responsible for different type of function. Here you can see this is root hold the plant in the soil so it doesn't blow away. They also take in water. We will discuss earlier in our previous lecture that roots are responsible for the absorption of water and different type of minerals like phosphorus, nitrogen, phosphorus from the soil, and which are responsible for the process of photosynthesis. And you can see this is root, leaf, and this is stem. Stem holds up the plant and carries water from the roots to the leaves. In stem, xylem vessels are present, which are responsible for the transfer of water from soil to all parts of the plant. So this part is stem of plant. Leaves. The leaves use light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water taken in by the roots to make food for the plant. As we know, and we discussed earlier that plants are producers. They make their own food. They do not rely on ready-made food. So they make their food with the help of photosynthesis process. And in plant leaf, special pigment is present which we call chloroplast. And chloroplast is present in which chlorophyll is present, which is responsible for the formation of plant food. And in leaf there are small pores are present which we call stomata. Through this, carbon dioxide and oxygen enter into the leaf, and transpiration process occur with the help of leaf. So this is leaf, which is part of our plant body and responsible for the formation of food. So flower. The plant's flower makes seed. This is flower of plant, which is responsible for the formation of seed. So here are some different parts of seed. Seed coat, which protects seeds. Cotyledon, here store food of seed. And from this structure, stem and leaves are germinate. And from this root, this is seed coat, which protects seed. And seed are formed in the center part of the flower and the fruit. You can see here in watermelon, peas, in tomatoes. Fruits come from flowers. Seed come in many shapes and size. Plant grow from seed. If a seed receive water and gets warm, the baby plant embryo inside it start to grow. जब हम किसी भी सीड को ज़मीन के अंदर बोते हैं और उसे पानी देते हैं और सनलाइट के थ्रू उसको हीट मिलती है, तो वो जर्मिनेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ बेबी प्लांट बिगनिंग टू ग्रो इज कॉल्ड जर्मिनेशन. वी से द सीड जर्मिनेट्स और स्प्राउट्स, एंड दिस इज जर्मिनेशन प्रोसेस. Here we see picture of bean seed and corn seed germinating and growing into plant with root, stem and leaf. You can see here seed are germinate and convert into a whole plant body. These are process of germination. The life cycle of a plant. You can see here different step of life cycle of bean plant. यहाँ पर देखें, हमने एक सीड को बोया, ऊपर से पानी दिया और विद द हेल्प ऑफ सन जो है उसको हीट मिली और वो वार्म अप हुआ. तो सेकंड स्टेप में जो है वो रूट्स जो है वहाँ से जर्मिनेट होती है सीड से. फिर जब रूट जर्मिनेट हो जाती है तो वो सॉइल के अंदर फैल जाती है और जो इसका स्टेम वाला पार्ट है वो अगेंस्ट सॉइल के जो है टूवर्ड सनलाइट जो है वो जर्मिनेट हो जाता है, ग्रो कर जाता है. एंड लीव्स आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस. फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू जो है प्लांट अपना फूड बनाते हैं और फिर यही जो लीव द स्टेम एंड लीव्स ग्रो टुवर्ड सनलाइट. द लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर द प्लांट. As we discussed earlier, द फ्लावर मेक सीड, फ्लावर आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सीड। फिर ये सीड को हम दोबारा ज़मीन के अंदर बोएंगे और ये जो साइकिल है ये यूँ रिपीट होती रहेगी। हेयर इज अनदर डायग्राम ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ प्लांट। यहाँ पर आप देखें सीड जर्मिनेट हुआ, प्लांट ग्रो हुआ, प्लांट के फ्लावर की जो है वो प्रोड्यू की ग्रोथ हुई, फिर जो है फ्लावर से जो है वो फ्रूट की प्रोडक्शन हुई, ग्रोथ हुई, और फ्रूट से जो है वो सीड रिलीज़ हुआ। अब ये यही वाले सीड जो है वो जर्मिनेट होंगे एंड दिस साइकिल रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन। And here we will end this topic, and if you have any query you may ask. Thank you so much.